there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare, contrast, and sometimes argue about the best products on the market to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone, or as I like to call it, Holystone. And on the right, it's the Heturbo drone with 1080p camera, aka Heturbo. Let's see which one flies higher and which one crashes harder. Buckle up, it's about to get drone-tastic. Alright, first up, let's talk about price. Holystone is sitting at a cool $99. Not bad, right? But Heturbo swoops in with a price tag of just $79. That's $20 cheaper. You could buy a pizza with those savings. Or, another propeller for when you inevitably crash it into a tree. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Heturbo is already looking pretty spicy. Now, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p camera, but Holystone comes with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Perfect for capturing those epic sunset shots, or the neighbor's backyard barbecue without them knowing. Heturbo, on the other hand, lets you manually adjust the camera angle. Great for pretending you're a spy, or just checking if you left the stove on. So, wide angle versus manual adjustment. Are you a cinematic artist or a control freak? The choice is yours. Alright, let's get into flight time. Holystone gives you 20 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. Heturbo, not to be outdone, offers 24 minutes with its own duo of batteries. That's 4 whole extra minutes to crash into things. If you're looking to extend your airborne misadventures, Heturbo takes the lead. Moving on to control features. Holystone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You get voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. It's basically your personal flying robot servant. Heturbo isn't far behind with similar controls, but requires you to disconnect the remote to use the app features. A bit of a hassle, but hey, maybe you like the challenge? So if you're lazy like me and want everything at your fingertips, Holystone is your guy. If you enjoy a bit of a tech puzzle, Heturbo's your match. Lastly, ease of use. Holystone has altitude hold and headless mode, making it perfect for beginners, kids, or your grandma who's trying to get into the drone game. On the other hand, Heturbo claims to be even easier to operate, with fewer steps to get airborne and helpful tips, like calibrating the gyroscope every time. So if you're a complete newbie, or just really bad at following instructions, Heturbo might be the better starter drone. Based on Amazon reviews, Holystone is praised for its stability, ease of use, and excellent customer service. However, some reviewers noted issues with battery life and camera quality. On the other hand, Heturbo is lauded for its portability, ease of use, and durability, especially for children. Some minor camera lag was mentioned, but overall, it's highly recommended for all ages. So there you have it, folks. Holystone offers a bit more in terms of control features and wide-angle shots, but Heturbo wins on price, flight time, and ease of use. It's a tough call. But one thing's for sure. Both drones will make you look cooler than you actually are. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and crashing softly. Product links are in the description.